Welcome to my channel where our focus is to make life our own kind of special, including creating spaces that we just want to live in. Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to continue on with my Christmas 2024 decorating, where we are going to transform 3 spaces in my home: the living room, the family room, and the kitchen. Now, if you've joined me previously, you know that I've already showcased my Christmas 2024 haul. I've also shown you some different tablescapes. And then the last thing that I showed you was decorating our master bedroom. So as you can see, you guys, all around me, it looked like Christmas decorations have just exploded in our family room. So I am super excited to start decorating with you guys and showing you how I put all of these beautiful things to use. So without further ado, you guys, let's decorate. As you can see, I've brought out everything that I believe I will be using in these 3 areas, and of course, removing the last of the fall decor. All of what you see will not be used in the family room, but I just use this area for staging so that I could see what I have and make decisions on how and where to use it. You guys see that opening above the fireplace? It is definitely an eyesore for me, but you will see that I've come up with a way to make it go away. First, let's do a little cleaning. My fireplace garland is still in the container, and thankfully it's pre-lit. So what I need to do is to stretch it out. So you guys, life is still lifing. That is hubby calling. He went to the store while I tackled this project, and I'm truly thankful for that. You guys, I used these ornaments in my Christmas decor last year, and I absolutely loved it. So focus, Deborah, get back to this project. So I'm taking out more garland and wreaths, and I will be ready to start decorating real soon. And you cannot forget these timers. These mini wreaths are a Dollar Tree find from several years ago, and I will be sharing a DIY to turn these into something special. Okay guys, finally ready, but one more thing. All of this has made my hands extremely dry. So my DIY body butter to the rescue. That video will be dropping soon, so please turn on your notification for that as well. So in this opening, I am laying in a tree skirt that looks like snow. It was absolutely perfect for this space, and this is an example of how you can repurpose things that you have. The space now looks like a snow-covered mountain. Up next is the garland. I'm laying it in place and moving some things out of the way so that I can get to it much better. I also put up the swag because I just wanted to see these 2 spaces together as I decorate. Now there is a village set up on that table. That is my husband's creation. If he's done by the time I get ready to post, I will definitely share that with you guys. Now I'm just taking it all in and making decisions. And you guys, it's early, so the coffee does help. I am fluffing the garland, adding my decorations. And remember these free cypress branches. Absolutely love these guys. So I am using them here to fill in the spaces to give the garland more dimension. I am loving the way this is looking. So I'm going to move on to the Armoire, and there is a light pole that is not in camera right now, and I'll be showing that to you later. And this is this light pole that I spoke about earlier. So you guys, my OCD kicked in. So I am moving what I know I'm not using in this space out the way. Do you guys clean up in the middle of decorating? I do the same thing when I cook. Leave in the comments and let me know if this is you as well. I just don't process clutter very well. You guys, it is time for a well-deserved break. And then it will be time for the pillows on the sofa and the side chairs. But I'm loving what I see so far. And what I like to do with this is I like to lay all these pillow covers out to see what I like along with the placement. Then I cover the forms and arrange them. And then I stand back and I admire the results. So you guys, I suffered a casualty of decorating. In the midst of all of this, I broke a nail, like really far down. So I had to go take care of that. So in the process, I went ahead and just dropped the rest. It's all for the decorating costs, you guys. So I recovered and I am back to it. Now for the vases, bowls, and baskets, I am using some more of this fresh cypress. That again was for the frame in combination with the artificial stems. I clip the cypress to size, depending upon whether or not I'm going to use it in the basket or my vases. Now for these baskets, a tip to save on your decorations is to put packing material at the bottom. And that way you only have to put your decorations at the very top. I save this packing material from the packages that are shipped to me. And I tell you, it definitely comes in handy. So here I am reusing a lot of my vases and I'm adding stems to them, some scarce and then some really full, just based on what I am feeling.
We have heard on high, sweetly singing o'er the plains, and and the mountains in reply, echoing their
I purchased these stems for my fall decor, and they work perfectly for my Christmas decor as well, being that I'm using the greens and the browns and the golds.
Gloria in excelsis Deo. Shepherds, why this jubilee? Why your joyous strains prolong? What the gladsome tidings be, which inspire your happy song? Gloria in excelsis Deo. Gloria in excelsis Deo.
Just a couple more last minute projects that I want to share with you guys. Although the dining room is not one of the featured rooms in this Christmas 2024 reveal, I wanted to share the centerpiece with you. Once again, it's the last minute design that I put together, but I absolutely love it.
While our hearts in love we raise.
And this little village here sits on a table off to the side in the dining room. And what I did is I added some of this artificial snow to it. And it came out really, really well. You guys absolutely love this piece. It's one of these conversation pieces, and it's definitely festive. And this, absolutely love this. This is another DIY project. I took some more of those cypress stems, cut them to size, zip tied them together, and hung this over the light fixture that hangs over our table between our kitchen and our family room. This vase is new from Hobby Lobby since my haul. And as soon as I saw it, I knew it would be a beautiful statement piece on this island. So at this point, you guys, I've spent a very full day decorating. And now it's time to put everything in place. And oh, by the way, I also put up the balance when I was waiting for my battery on my cell phone to recharge. Like I said, it was a very long day. So now that everything is in place, it's time for the big reveal. All right, everyone, welcome back. So that actually ended up being not one long day, but 2 long days. I tell you, that was a lot of ground to cover, but it is done. I am so thrilled, beyond thrilled with the results. You can see a little bit of it behind me, but because of all of the footage and all of the time that it took to do this, what I decided to do is to split this into 2 videos. So the second part is where I'm actually going to come back to you and actually show you the reveal of the family room, the kitchen, the tablescape, the dining room, and the formal living room. And also, as an added bonus, I am going to show you another reveal of their master bedroom, did something a little bit different, okay, with the bed decor. So I'm going to show that to you, and also a DIY. So if that sounds good to you, you guys, please remember to turn on that notification so you don't miss out on that. It should be probably within about 3, maybe 4 days of this particular video posting. So it is definitely something to look forward to. You will not be disappointed, I promise you. And you guys, if you enjoyed this video, and if you enjoyed all of the series that I've been bringing you for my Christmas Decor 2024, please do remember to give this a like. And also, if you know anyone that you feel would enjoy the content that I am bringing you all here on this channel, please share my channel with them as well. And also, please remember to subscribe by pressing that subscribe button below. And as I always say here, you guys, it is a great day. You continue to make it your own kind of special. And I will see you all right here real soon. And please don't forget that notification bell. And thanks for joining me.